What's up, guys? It's Joe from NEWTUBER Reviews, and I do channel reviews on brand new YouTube channels. I offer my perspective on things like your channel art, video content, music, thumbnails, you name it. If you want me to do a critique on your video, just comment down below with your channel name and I'll get right to it. I don't care what your content is. If you review hand sanitizer or makeup, I'll do it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on what I'm doing with other YouTubers' channels, so you can get ideas for your own channel. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so our next channel is from Reddit, and we have a person named Learn to Make. It was a little hard to find this channel by searching it, so let's try it out here. So if I type his name here, Learn to Make, we're not going to see it because Learn to Make is a pretty common set of keywords. We're going to have to search by filter and channel to find it. There's a few Learn to Makes. Oh, well, similar. So he's here, Learn to Make. Congratulations on your 15th subscriber. Let's check it out. Alright, so you do, you're doing a trendy topic, the Amazon forest. You're doing tutorials, a bit of tutorials, but they're kind of like weirdly funny. You're trying to be a bit weird. I could see that. I watched a few of your videos. Let's just do a general overview. I could see here that your channel banner is not done, but you told me you're fairly new, and I could see here you're new, so I guess you're working on it. And you have pretty good art skills and editing and graphics, so I'm not worried about that. Your thumbnails are really nice and eye-catching. Don't forget to put your social media in your banner. Make up a schedule for your release dates of your videos. Okay, yeah. Okay. I know that you're not going to edit out stuff there because you want to show that you're genuine and you want to make people relate to you. But make sure your videos are not too long, because I watched a few of them, and I wouldn't watch this one here. I've reached 10 subs, 7 minutes. Yeah, you do try to be funny, and you do make some graphics and stuff like that, and camera, good editing, but still. And I know you made a YouTube intro video, making one. You said that there was a software, but it's not free. I mean, nobody really wants that. You can use paint.net if you want to do a video with using paint.net. It's free, and you can do layers like Photoshop and stuff, and it's really good. And a lot of people use that for their stuff. So maybe if you make a video on that, that's good too. But overall, I mean, you're okay. I mean, you can you're using a trendy topic, like I said, the Amazon and tutorials. So I feel like you're going to gain more confidence as you go, and maybe you're lacking a bit of confidence, but it's okay. You're probably just shy on the internet. So at first, we just put out whatever we can do. You know, you made something, and it's not going to be the best the first few things you do, but you're going to gain confidence, just as I have, just as anybody else. When they make their first videos, it's always a little. It's not going to be as good as 5 months from now. You know, you'll learn. It's a learning process. So I know you're fairly new, so I can't really give you a good rating on 10. I can't give you a number. So we'll see where you are in a month or two, and I'll check out your channel again. So I wish you good luck with your with what you want to do with your channel. And guys, let me know what you think about Learn to Make and what you can improve on down below. And Learn to Make, tell me what you think, please. So I'll see you guys in the next one.